Exploring the Universe Within, the Cosmic and Brain Connection. Join Hermer Messenger as we embark on an intriguing journey exploring the profound similarities between the vast universe and the complex human brain. This video delves into the philosophical and scientific connections between cosmic structures and neural networks, exploring historical perceptions, structural parallels, and recent scientific discoveries that suggest a shared architecture between our brains and the universe. From ancient patterns recognized by the Greeks to innovative research on neural and cosmic connections, this video unpacks the potential implications of these findings for technology, philosophy, and our understanding of consciousness. If you are fascinated by the mysteries of the cosmos and the human mind, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Subscribe to our channel and open your mind to innovative ideas. Every playlist is a window to enriching your knowledge. Introduction to the Cosmic and Brain Journey. We are invited to embark on an intriguing journey that spans the vastness of the cosmos and the complexities of the human brain. Establish the fascinating premise of investigating the similarities between these two distinct systems, suggesting that both have interconnections that can illuminate our understanding of our own existence. Through this invitation to exploration, the video promises not only to disseminate knowledge, but also to inspire a deep reflection on how the universe and the human brain, in its vast complexities, can reflect and influence our perception of life and self-knowledge. By drawing parallels between the macrocosm of galaxies and the microcosm of neural networks, he calls into question not only the internal operations of these systems, but also how they are governed by natural laws that may be fundamentally similar, thus instigating the public to consider how the patterns observed in the cosmos can be mirrored within us in the intricate workings of the brain. In doing so, the video not only heightens scientific and philosophical curiosity, but also opens doors to a more integrated understanding of our connection to the universe, a link that could be key to unlocking new dimensions of human reality. The brain-cosmos connection. The search for patterns and similarities between the cosmos and the neural network of the human brain is presented as a fascinating question that unites the scientific with the philosophical. In this study, we are led to realize how these two complex systems not only resemble each other in structure, but also share fundamental natural laws for their functioning. This investigation not only highlights the uniformity in the laws that govern both the universe and our own brains, but also suggests an underlying unity across nature, reinforcing the idea that the same forces that orchestrate the dance of galaxies also influence the neural interactions that take place in our minds. By exploring these parallels, the study also paves the way for a deeper understanding of how human cognition and the behavior of the universe can be reflections of each other. The idea that we can learn about the cosmos by observing our own brains, and vice versa, not only broadens our scientific knowledge but also enriches our philosophical understanding of existence. This dialogue between science and philosophy not only challenges our understanding of what is possible, but also inspires us to consider new perspectives on our connection to the universe and the role we play in it. History of human perception and pattern recognition. Detailing the trajectory of human perception and pattern recognition throughout history, we explore how since the earliest times, humanity has deftly identified similarities and established patterns to predict and control aspects of nature. This fundamental process helped form the foundations of scientific and philosophical thinking, allowing humans to not only survive but also understand and shape their environment more effectively. A notable example of this ability to recognize is the discovery of the golden ratio by the ancient Greeks. This proportion, often found in nature, art, and architecture, has become a symbol of universal beauty and harmony. The application of the golden ratio throughout history has helped influence our understanding of aesthetic standards by reflecting how mathematical concepts can be observed in both natural and human elements. This historical insight not only highlights human ingenuity in discovering and applying patterns, but also demonstrates how these discoveries continue to influence diverse areas of human knowledge and creation. Structural parallels between the universe and the human brain. Examine how the disciplines of genetics, embryology, and quantum physics reveal that the patterns observed in nature are self-similar and dynamic, suggesting a shared architecture between the human brain and the universe. Self-similarity, a principle where similar patterns repeat at different scales, is deeply rooted in both the structure of the universe and the construction of the human brain, indicating a possible intrinsic connection between the two. Through the analysis of these disciplines, it becomes evident that both galaxies and neural networks operate under principles that reflect an underlying structural harmony. Quantum physics, especially, provides insights into how fundamental interactions at the most basic level can influence complex structures, illustrating that the universe and brain may be more interconnected than we previously realized. This perspective opens new avenues for understanding not only the cosmos and the brain as separate entities, but also as reflections of each other, operating under universal laws of organization and dynamics. Scientific studies and discoveries. We are introduced to the pioneering work of Franco Wutz and Alberto Fillet, who used advanced quantitative methods to explore and compare the similarities between the distribution of matter in cosmic webs and neuronal connections in the human brain. This eye-opening study particularly highlights the discovery of a common pattern known as degree distribution, which is crucial for understanding how structures at both the cosmological and neural scales are organized. Wutz and Fillet's detailed analysis not only provided evidence that cosmic webs and neural networks share a strikingly similar connection structure, but also spurred new thinking about how fundamental processes can be universal. This discovery underlines the idea that the laws of nature may have much broader applications than traditionally considered, offering valuable insights for fields ranging from astrophysics to neuroscience. In doing so, these scientists' studies open doors to a greater understanding of organizational principles that can be shared throughout the universe, both in the vast space between stars and within the intricate networks of the human brain. Implications of the findings. The discussion turns to the broad implications of recent discoveries about the structural similarities between the universe and the human brain. These revelations have the potential to significantly impact the development of advanced technologies, particularly in the field of artificial neural networks. By better understanding how natural networks, such as cosmic webs and neuronal connections, organize and function, we can improve the algorithms that govern artificial neural networks, making them more efficient and possibly smarter in terms of processing and solving complex problems. Additionally, these findings open new avenues for future studies that seek a deeper understanding of both the cosmos and the human brain. The possibility of applying universal principles to diverse areas of science not only enriches our theoretical understanding, but also paves the way for practical innovations in fields such as medicine, engineering, and data science. The uncovered interconnections promote an integrated view of science, where the boundaries between disciplines become less defined, favoring a more holistic and interdisciplinary approach to solving mysteries both ancient and modern. Metaphysical and philosophical consequences. The discussion delves into the metaphysical and philosophical consequences arising from scientific discoveries about the connection between the universe and the human brain. Interpretations of these results vary significantly within and outside the scientific community, with some schools of thought proposing theories that suggest the existence of a cosmic creator or a fundamental organizing intelligence. These theories reflect the human search for meaning and context in the face of discoveries that challenge our traditional understanding of the world. On the other hand, there is a strong insistence on the part of many researchers to maintain a strictly scientific interpretation of the data, emphasizing the importance of separating empirical findings from metaphysical speculations. This chapter explores how this balance between science and philosophy can be delicate and sometimes controversial, highlighting the profound impact that science can have on our worldview. While some see these findings as a bridge to deeper questions about existence, others advocate the importance of rigorously adhering to the scientific method, ensuring that conclusions remain grounded in verifiable evidence. The Boltzmann brain paradox. Explore the intriguing concept of the Boltzmann brain paradox, introduced by physicist Ludwig Boltzmann, which proposes the theoretical possibility that particles, under certain extremely rare conditions, can randomly line up to form a self-aware brain in space. This hypothetical scenario raises profound questions about the nature of consciousness and the origin of the universe, challenging our understanding of probability and the role of chance in the cosmos. The philosophical implications of this paradox are vast and provocative. He suggests that our existence may be even more improbable and extraordinary than we have traditionally realized, and questions whether other forms of consciousness could spontaneously emerge in the vast universe. The discussion of this concept also reflects on the validity and limits of applying statistical theories to the universe, including the debate on determinism versus randomness. This chapter not only illuminates one of Boltzmann's most provocative thoughts, but also stimulates a broader reflection on the origins of life and consciousness, encouraging deeper consideration of what it really means to be a conscious observer within a universe seemingly governed by impersonal laws of physics. Psychism and consciousness as a universal element. The investigation delves into the idea that consciousness can be considered a fundamental aspect of reality, possessing the ability to influence physical phenomena. This view posits consciousness not only as an emergent product or function of material complexity, but as an entity intrinsic to the fabric of the universe. The discussion encompasses how this perspective has been integrated and reflected in both philosophical and religious traditions throughout history, providing a bridge between science and mysticism. Exploring diverse philosophies and religious beliefs, the chapter reveals how many cultures have regarded consciousness as a universal and central element to understanding the cosmos. Such traditions often view consciousness as a unifying force that binds all beings and phenomena, suggesting that it plays a crucial role not only in human experience but in the very constitution of reality. This view has significant implications for fields ranging from theoretical physics to metaphysics, challenging conventional boundaries between the observer and the observed and proposing a reality in which mind and matter are deeply interconnected. Modern theories and the future of consciousness. The focus turns to contemporary theories about consciousness, which begin to regard it not only as a byproduct of the brain, but as a fundamental dimension of reality. Integrated formation theory, for example, proposes that consciousness emerges from the ability of different systems to integrate in a complex and coordinated manner. This theory suggests that consciousness may be more widely distributed than previously thought, potentially existing in various forms and at different levels of complexity throughout the universe. In addition, Donald Hoffman's research introduces a revolutionary approach by asserting that perceived reality is an interface created by consciousness to facilitate survival and reproduction. According to Hoffman, our perceptions of the world are constructed in ways that maximize evolutionary efficacy, and not necessarily to portray a truthful representation of absolute reality. These provocative ideas push the boundaries of consciousness science, suggesting that understanding consciousness may be the key to unlocking deeper questions about the universe, our perceptions of reality, and perhaps even the very nature of existence. These modern theories are paving the way for new research and discussions about the future of consciousness, exploring how this emerging understanding can impact not only science but also our relationship with the world around us. Final thoughts. The conclusion of this study brings thoughtful reflection on how the discoveries and theories discussed throughout the previous chapters have the potential to profoundly transform our understanding of ourselves and the universe. The journey revealed not only the interconnectedness between the brain and the cosmos, but also expanded our view on consciousness and reality. These insights offer a new lens through which we can view the world, challenging the boundaries between what is perceived and what is possible. The final invitation is for viewers to continue exploring these complex and fascinating questions. Each discovery opens new avenues of inquiry. Each theory offers new questions to be answered. This is a never-ending journey where each answer found opens the door to new mysteries. The exploration of these themes is not just a scholarly pursuit. It is a personal journey that each of us can undertake to better understand not only the world around us, but also the universe within us. It is an invitation to not only learn but also to marvel, provoking a deeper appreciation of the complexities and wonders that shape our existence. If you are like this video of the mysteries of the cosmos and the human mind, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content.